Stop scrolling. YouTube is secretly tracking every video you watch, every search you make, and even how long you pause on a clip. And the scary part? Most people never change these settings, meaning your entire digital life is exposed right now. Hey everyone, this is TECHLOAD, and today I'm going to show you the hidden YouTube privacy settings that Google never reminds you to change. If you skip this, your personal data stays wide open. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't just track what you watch. It builds a full behavior profile about you. It records your watch history, your search history, your interests, your online habits, your ad preferences, even how long you stay on a video. This data is stored for years unless you manually turn it off. That means if someone accesses your account, or if Google uses that profile for ads or recommendations, your private habits are exposed. And if you use YouTube on shared Wi-Fi, office devices, or a borrowed phone, your data can be misused without you even knowing. Solution step by step. Turn off YouTube Watch History. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture, bottom right hand. Then tap on Settings icon, top right corner. Go to your data in YouTube. Tap Manage your YouTube watch history. Then tap on Controls. Hit Turn Off from now. YouTube cannot track the videos you watch.